At SafetyQuip, one of our largest product categories is respiratory protection products. So respirators that range from disposable respirators to half mask respirators to full face respirators and to powered air respirators. Clients often ask us, when should the respirator filters be changed? So I thought it would be useful to run through half a dozen bullet points that are covered on a card that is supplied in some of the most popular respirator kits made by 3M. So these two kits are the 6000 series respirator kits. This is the dust and particle respirator kit, the P2 kit. This is the 3M 6251 A1P2 spraying respirator kit. That's often used for painting and spraying and for various solvents. Now the card that's contained in that kit is this one. It's titled, "When do I need to change the cartridges or filters?" So replace the filters when the expiry date stamped on the sealed packet has elapsed. Once opened from original packaging, maximum use time is 6 months, even if not used. Now that refers to gas and vapor cartridges. So this product here has a gas and vapor filter on it. That's the A1 filter. So there's actually charcoal inside that cartridge. So the carbon or charcoal absorbs gases and odours and will become saturated over time and does deteriorate over time. So the manufacturer recommends a maximum of 6 months use of that product once it's been opened, even if it's not been used during that time. Third bullet point, when it becomes difficult to breathe comfortably. Now that's referring to particulate filters. So this product here has a particulate filter on there. That's a P2 filter. So that essentially becomes blocked up with particles over time, and when it's blocked up enough, it's difficult to breathe through it. So it should be changed before that time. Then when it becomes dirty or physical damage occurs, when contaminants with good warning properties can be detected by smell or taste, that's really referring to, again, this filter. So if you can smell or taste the product that you're trying to protect yourself against, there's a good chance that the filter is already saturated and it can't hold in any more of that contaminant. So that's quite obvious with various pesticides and paints, thinners, for example. You can really smell, there's good warning properties, you can really smell the contaminant. And the last bullet point, in accordance with the established cartridge/filter change schedule. So that relates to your workplace. That varies for every workplace. You know, the filters will last varying lengths of time depending on humidity, temperature, the ventilation in the workplace, and the concentration of the contaminants that you have in your workplace. So that's when to change respirator filters according to the 3M changeout guide. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.